Hi everybody, Jeff Wilson with Guarantee RV Supercenters. I'd like to present to you today a 2016 Thor A.C.E. in 29.3 model. Let's take a look inside. So up here in the cabin area, both of the chairs will spin around and then join the conversation back here in the back. This coach is equipped from Ford with the tilt steering column and the cruise control for going down the road. It's going to have hydraulic level up system with an automatic feature, and it's got this nice little flip over laptop table for the passenger so that the passenger can play on the computer with 110 outlets as well. Overhead, got a nice little, that's magnetically kept. If you notice on the corners, it's got magnets up there, and this bed comes right down. It makes a nice little full-size bed. So easy to bring down, and then there's a ladder up to the bed with storage compartments around so you can bring more stuff with you. And real good cushion on there, so whoever gets that overhead bed is going to have a nice place to sleep. So let's see, firing up the generator, interior start. And this gen, oh, let me fire it up. This gen has 97 hours. So light use there. And then slide extend button, black tank heater, gray tank heaters, a water pump switch, everything right there on your control panel, easy to get to. Here in the lounge area, a nice sofa, and one thing with this coach, it's side ducted on your furnace, so if it's really chilly out, you can drop your legs right in front of that ductwork and warm up quick. Not so much, move those legs and get that ductwork coming out, but a nice layout. And then at the dinette, this is cushioned around the back side here, so if you want to use the dinette and want to get even more comfortable, you can sit back against that and get the cushion work going there. Overhead TV, and then good storage space overhead too. They've done lots of cabinetry. It's like a little DVD player. And then more access here. More cabinetry over the sofa, light switch, and good bank of cabinets over. One very large sink basin in the kitchen with good countertop space, so nice room to prepare a meal. And we got a 3-burner cooktop. So the A.C.E. still has the LP gas oven. Some of the coaches are going away from that. And then your overhead microwave. Good sized fridge. This is still an RV refrigerator, so it's going to work propane or 110. And an overhead freezer. So that's good, got good space in it. It does come equipped with a bedroom TV, and below you've got USB port charging with a 110 outlet, and then a nice built-in set of drawers. Good space there. Same with your bottom drawer. And then a walk-around queen bed. So more overhead cabinetry here. And a big closet for hanging clothes with another built-in bank of drawers below. So excellent storage in the bedroom area. And then over to the bathroom. So this is kind of one of my favorite parts. Built-in pet dish for water and food. And if your dog is being a little bit too hungry, you can just close and lock the bathroom door so the dog doesn't get to keep on eating. A nice roomy potty, and then a good roomy shower stall as well. So you've got some storage in here. And they've got the towel racks hanging here. And good lighting in there too. Overhead fan to keep that steam from getting too close to the wood. Your puppy wants to ride up front with you. There's a little window out the side right here, so the dog can look out the window and see what's going on. And right here, before I exit the coach, actually this is for when I'm coming in. If I get dirty feet, I've got a little cubby hole right here, so I can kick my boots off and right into there and not bring all the dirt inside. So this coach is equipped with the power awning. And out she comes, so easy use to get the awning out and set. We're going to set that out. And a little moisture in there, so we've got a dry day today. We'll leave that out today and dry it out. But inside the awning, we've got a LED light strip up here. And that's going to show out really nice in camp at nighttime. And then outside the coach, nice storage box that's lighted in there. So you're just getting to camp, you need to get the goodies set up. And then outside TV, of course, outside speakers. Flush mount, dark tinted windows on the coach, so you get a certain amount of privacy already in the daytime without even drawing a shade. And then back here to the outside prep station, so we're gonna have a little silverware cubby, a nice drawer for utensils. And the best part is hot and cold water outside. So if you got messy hands, you're able to clean up without going into the coach and grabbing all the handles. Little refrigerator, and this is a lighted area as well. So around to the other side, something we didn't see from the inside looking out is this coach is built with a full wall slide. So this slide extends a great length of the coach, and then it's covered up with the slide out awning topper. So easier when you're breaking camp, you don't have to sweep off the top of the slide out. The debris is just going to fall right off. More storage on this side of the coach, and let's see. There's a 4,000 Onan generator, and I think I mentioned the hours on that inside. So color infused in the fiberglass on this Thor A.C.E. The accents are decal stickers on there. And that makes a really nice looking coach going down the road or when you're set up in camp. And I also like the looks of this overbrow they do on the A.C.E. So again, I'm Jeff Wilson with Guarantee RV Supercenters. If you're interested in this Thor A.C.E. or any other A.C.Es we might have in stock, give me a call please at the number listed below.